ready to blast some calories, burn that fat so you can feel confident in your clothes, join me for this short but intense HIIT workout.
I will always show the low impact or lower intensity version first. You can stay with that. And then I'll show the higher. Choose what works for you. If something doesn't agree with you, definitely change it, okay? Okay, this is my right leg. I go forward and back, lift up. See, easy. It's just a mambo. You could do this all day, right? Now, obviously, this is not the higher version. It could be for you, though, especially if you're coming back from illness or injury. This is higher. I lift my knee. All right, 30 seconds starts now. You could go faster. A little agility. Don't think too hard. I can always see when people are thinking. 15 seconds. Lift that foot, lift that foot. Three, 2, 1. That's not too bad, right? Same leg. Up, okay? Obviously, you just go slower or a little lighter. Not as deep. Here we go. Up. Most of my weight's in this leg. I'm not stomping that foot down. Push off. So I get this foot turned out a little bit. Open up the hip. You go faster. It's all you. 10 seconds. Three, 2, 1. Okay, we're doing that to the other side of the little mambo. So we're gonna start low first. So this is your low. You could also use it as a rest. You ready to go faster? Bigger? Reaching the arms up makes the heart work harder. Forward, back. Lift that foot in between. 3, 2, 1. You know what's coming. We already did it. Out and in. You got that stable leg. 3, 2, go. This is low impact. Low impact, one foot in contact with the ground. It can still be intense and be low impact. Now, of course, if you wanted to jump it, that would be higher impact, right? You're like, yeah, I think I got that. Good. You're smart. I knew you had it. Come on. Drive into that leg. Bend, straighten. 3, 2, 1. Moving on. What I like about drills as opposed to choreo, I love choreography, by the way. You can put all your focus into that one move. We got a repeater knee on one side. This is the stable leg. Now, if you can stay low, that would be wicked awesome. If you need to come up, that's okay. Just don't stand on a straight leg. Ready? Stay here. So you're standing on a bent leg, hip, knee, ankle. Remember, the arms add to that calorie burn, the core movement, shoulders, a little bit of lat, even though it's not working against gravity. So see if you can sit into that leg, that heel. Of course, you could jump it. If you're a jumper, if you're a leaper, not to be confused with a leper, You could be that too. I hope not. 10 seconds. I don't wish that on anybody. 3, 2, 1. It's a grunt day. Same leg. So it's a tap in, just like when we did a tap out. Okay? 3, 2, go. Up, 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 up. You could even circle your arms, make it bigger. Make sure that knee isn't caving in. Press out till you use that hip. This leg is stable. Ten seconds. So I tap in, I tap out. I'm bending that leg, driving into that heel. 3, 2, 1. I hope I said 10 seconds and not 10 minutes. I think I did. Okay, now we got the repeater on the other side. Get down there. That way you get a little leg work, you know. Bonus. 4, 3, 2, go. 30 seconds. You could go faster. We reach diagonally, so we challenge that core a little bit more. But you can reach straight on. You know, you go, you. Think of that core while you lift the leg. Don't just lift the leg. Pull in, pull in. 15 seconds. How you feeling? Three, 2, 1. We got that lunge tap in. We're gonna circle the arms. Rainbow arms. Sunshine arms. Just happy. I know, it's that 2 cups of coffee. Ready? Go. Up, up, up. Bend, straighten. It's all about this leg. Drive up, drive up. Watch that knee. It's not this, it's outward. Use that hip. Almost there. 3, 2, 1. Water break. All right, next 2 moves. We need to include some lateral movement. So hopefully you're not wearing running shoes. Okay, running shoes are not good for lateral movement. Some kind of cross trainer or a court shoe. Not those big, thick soles. So we've got this. Okay, it could be this. Ready? Go. Come here. Make this work for you. You can make it smaller, but get that knee up. Take advantage of the space you got. Now, if you have any kind of injury, like a knee thing, go slower, just make your movement bigger. Okay? But I would definitely look into that. You're like, duh. I know, I'm obvious. Use those arms. Get that knee up. Yeah. You guys are awesome. You've got this. 3, 2, 1. We're going to lift the leg side, not at the same time. I mean, you can. All right, ready? Go. Up, up, up. Side of the foot, not your toe. Up. You could jump it if you want to. Really think about lifting. Don't just throw your leg out there. Oh no, every time I hear this song, it gets stuck in my head. Lift with control. Keep that core tight. 3, 2, 1. All right, we got to repeat those 2. Take longer rests if you need to, but if you're walking around with your mouth open to breathe, that's where you need to be. That might not be where you want to be. But do take breaks if you need more rest. We got that triple. Ready? And if you can't catch your breath, make it smaller, recover. Lower intensity will let your heart rate recover. They use different energy pathways. The higher intensity, the lower intensity. So it's better than just stopping. But if you need to, you can. This is a good way to recover as well. We used to tell people not to do that, right? Down is a little, laying down is probably, no, don't do that. I hope you don't feel like that. 3, 2, 1. Okay, we got the leg side. I gave you a little extra on that, sorry. That was only like 7 extra seconds. And no, I'm not cutting the next one short. Nice try though. Heck no. Ready? Leg side. Up. Side of the foot. Squeeze the glutes. Work those hips. Remember, strong hips, strong lower back. It also keeps the knees safer because pain can be referred from your hips to your knees or to your low back. So keeping those hips, those glutes strong, keeps everything else stronger. 3, 2, 1. All right, we only got 2 more. Just 2 more. The end is near. This one's easy to modify. Well, they're all pretty easy to modify, I think. I hope so. Feet apart, a little wider, and push up, push up, push up. So it could be a jump squat or a reach up. Not this, okay? No Farmer Dell. I don't know why his name is Dell. Time starts, time starts. Use your legs to drive that movement. Use your glutes. You have a lot of power there. You might not be utilizing it, but you should. That way your back doesn't have to work as hard. Let that big muscle take over some of that. Push up, push up. Yeah, sit back, sit back. You guys are wicked. And I don't mean like evil. 3, 2, 1. This is the last one. The last one. We're going to scoop the water out of the pool. I don't know why I like this move. It just feels good to me. Side to side. Ready? Go. Scoop. Sit. You could always do this if that squat isn't agreeing with you, but do use the arms. It's kind of like get the dog out of the house. Just get out. You smell. That's my husband after he goes for a run. I'm like, oh, get out. Go take a shower. It's got that dog smell. See how my knees and toes are turned out? That lets my hips open up a little more. Lets me get down there. Oh, you look so good. We're going to do an extra 10 seconds. Oh, no, she didn't. Might use those arms. Get the dog out of the house. I don't have dogs, but I can imagine. 3, 2, 1. Nice job. A little step touch. Bring your heart rate down. Big inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Just 2 more. Easy. Let your heart rate come down. 1 more. Just step touch. How do you feel? You feel good? Now that it's over? I always feel better after it's over. All right. Great job. All right, so I'm going to change the music, get a sip of water, towel off. We're going to do a standing stretch. Hope you feel like you got a good workout. I hope so. You can definitely Instagram me and let me know. Okay, come down, put your hips back. Now, tuck your hips under, really round that spine. You've got support there. So you're curled under with the hips. Oh, that feels good. So low back, releasing that low back, abs pulled in. Remember, when one side is working, it flex, the other side can relax a little more. It's not having to work. Now come up and then hinge. Hips go back, reach. Now, if you have really tight hamstrings or really weak hamstrings, sometimes the two get confused. You may not go as deep, and that's okay. So sometimes tightness is coming from weakness, not just tightness. I know that sounds counterintuitive. Our body is all about protecting us, so sometimes it will limit your range of motion because you're weak. Okay, bend those knees. Slowly come up. Oh, yeah. Now, if you're looking to lift and firm those glutes, join me for this quick but powerful 10-minute glute workout that'll leave you looking and feeling great.